Lucca is home to one of Italy's most beautiful piazzas, the Piazza dell Anfiteatro, which takes its name from the ancient Roman amphitheater that was once located here. Built in the 2nd century after Christ and with a capacity of some 10,000 people. Now, there's not much left of that ancient Roman amphitheater except its shape. And you can actually see how the buildings here in the Piazza dell Anfiteatro follow the elliptical curvature of the amphitheater that was once located here, creating one of the most suggestive of spaces, perhaps in the entire world. And the perimeter of which today is filled with cafes and bars and restaurants and really represents the heart of this charming Tuscan town called Lucca.